Alright, so I'm having an issue in my 2002 Jeep Liberty Limited. Was it 3.7 liter V6? I just changed the gasket on the valve cover and put everything back, but I got smoke, white smoke that is, coming from back in the back here. It looks like somewhere maybe around the heat shield down in there. So let me start it up so you guys can take a look. I'm just gonna start it up. Once it heats up, it'll start smoking from the back. Now I also checked the oil level and said I need to add oil, so I got an oil leak somewhere. But this is a whole new gasket with the grommets. Here's what oil looks like. I don't know if that means anything to you guys. I get that in the light. I don't know if I got antifreeze or coolant. But if you're ever interested, also take your valve cover off. All you gotta do is take this off, unplug your fuel injectors, move a couple of these hoses out of the way, disconnect maybe your ignition coils. Alright. Alright, you can't really see it, but yeah, let me take a look. Definitely like some moisture or something coming out. Sounds like it might be running a little rough. There it goes. And you can smell the burn. Coming from right down in there. So here's your valve cover right here. There you go, now you can see it. I don't know what you guys think that might be. Let me know.